probably wondered at some point, can my chickens eat this? Maybe you've tossed them a banana or a crust of bread and hoped for the best. Well, today we're clearing it up for good. I'll show you what chickens can and can't eat, so you can keep your flock safe, healthy, and happily pecking away. Welcome to GreenProfitCultivate, where we help you raise healthy chickens, collect more eggs, and live a bit more sustainably. If you love natural chicken keeping, go on, hit subscribe. We post new videos every week to make your flock care simple and rewarding. Chickens love treats, and honestly, who doesn't enjoy that rush when they all come running? But not every treat is good for them. Some foods boost their health and egg quality. Others can make them ill. Once you know the difference, feeding becomes easy, and you'll feel confident every time you reach for the treat bowl. Right, let's start with the good stuff. Chickens can eat most fruits and vegetables. Apples, just remove the seeds first. Berries, leafy greens, pumpkin, cucumber, peas, all brilliant choices. They're hydrating, packed with vitamins, and add color to their diet, but just a handful a day. Remember, it's a treat, not a meal. Protein's the secret to strong feathers and steady egg laying. Scrambled eggs, cooked, never raw, are perfect. Mealworms, dried crickets, or a bit of cooked fish or shrimp all go down well. Just keep it plain. No salt, no seasoning. Their taste buds are simple, and that's how we like it. Grains keep your flock fueled through the day. Oats, barley, quinoa, brown rice, they're all fine. Even a bit of cooked pasta or whole grain bread now and again is okay. But remember this, 90% of their diet should come from proper feed. Treats stay at 10%, no more. It keeps them balanced and productive. Now this bit's important. Never give chickens avocado, especially the skin and pit. It's toxic. Chocolate, coffee, and anything with caffeine. No. Avoid onions and garlic in large amounts, and skip raw potatoes or green tomatoes. Those can make them sick. Moldy or spoiled food. Straight in the compost, not the coop. A clean diet means a healthy flock. Now, a few foods are fine, in moderation. Corn, bread, pasta. Nice for the odd treat, but not daily. Too much starch can lead to overweight hens and fewer eggs, so think of it as dessert, not dinner. Here's one many new chicken keepers miss: grit and calcium. Chickens don't have teeth, so grit helps them grind their food. Calcium, usually from oyster shell, strengthens eggshells and bones. Keep both out all the time, in separate dishes from feed. They'll take what they need naturally. When trying something new, start small. Offer a bit, and watch how they react. Some hens dive right in. Others stand there and stare at it for 10 minutes. If you see odd droppings or any change in behavior, skip that food next time. They'll tell you what they like, in their own way. You can make healthy treats at home. In summer, try frozen fruit cubes, berries, herbs, and a splash of water. In winter, warm porridge oats with oregano or parsley is perfect. It's wholesome, easy, and your flock will adore it. Feeding your chickens safely doesn't need to be complicated. Now you know what's good, what's risky, and how to balance it all. You'll find links below for my favorite treats and a free printable chicken treat guide. It's handy to keep near the coop. Your flock will thank you for it. Trust me. Thanks for watching, and for being part of the GreenProfitCultivate family. Subscribe if you'd like more simple, natural chicken care tips. New videos every week. See you in the next one.